everyone, welcome back to my channel and you're watching me on Twistide. So guys, this outfit is something which is comfortable yet edgy, and basically I would love to wear this outfit more oftenly when I'm going shopping or even with my friends. And this outfit makes you fall in the category of stylish person, but deep down you know somehow you haven't made much effort for this one. Okay, but yeah, we can keep that as a secret. And if you want more such secrets, then go subscribe to my channel. Okay, talking about this outfit, here I'm wearing a graphic t-shirt which has a vibrant color, and I think the color is so appropriate for summers. Then I layered it by a denim jacket which is quite loose, and to complete the look I'm wearing basic white sneakers which totally complementing this outfit. Here I am wearing a teal color shrug with frills on the sleeves and bottom, and paired it with a basic black top. And to take this outfit to a next level, I am wearing this silver necklace and carrying this sling bag. To complete my look, I am wearing my juttis, and I just love this outfit because it's perfect when you have to wear ethnic yet western. And trust me, this happens to me every time, and I think most of us, because nobody wants this tam jam at least. Okay, if you are the one who consider yourself in the category of a tomboy, or either you love wearing casuals, then this outfit pretty does its job. So here I simply paired my white t-shirt with black jeans, and to give that edgy look, I'm wearing this black cap जो मैंने अपने भाई की wardrobe से चुराई है, just suggesting you. And to complete the look, I'm wearing my same white sneakers. And guys, this outfit is so perfect when you are traveling, and I can consider it as an airport look. Do tell me what do you feel about this one in the comment section. Okay, so this look is my personal favorite because anyhow I love wearing kurtis. For this outfit I paired this beautiful white kurta with my black jeans, and to make it more stylish, what I did is I simply tied my dupatta to my waist belt, and now you can see how elegant and classy it's looking. I'm wearing this beautiful golden earrings which is from Shein, and don't hate me, ये मैंने पिछले साल लिया था. And finally, to complete the look, I'm wearing the same juttis which I bought from a local shop, and anyhow you can get it online. This is the most comfortable look up tak ka, and this outfit comes in a category when you don't have time to get ready. So here I am wearing basic black top with which I layered this so cool and vibrant jacket, and actually I wear this jacket when I go to gym, but here it pretty does its job. Okay, completing this look with high ponytail and basic black sneakers. And I don't know why I felt like Ranveer Singh and started dancing on Gully Boy mein. Do tell me what do you feel about this outfit in the comment section below. Guys, for watching this video, and I just hope you like it, and do tell me which one is your favorite look. Comment down below. Okay, so you can follow me on Instagram for more updates. I will link down below my Instagram ID. You can follow me there, and I just created a beautiful account. You can check that, I think, and I post regularly जितना हो सकता है मुझसे. Follow me there and do subscribe to my channel if you didn't. Please, it will be really helpful because somehow it motivates me to like work more and more. So yeah, so now I'll